3, 2, 1. Oh wait, he's in his room.
He had to go back inside, bro.
It's too cold.
Oh, yeah, man, it's summer.
Oh man, look at that Neapolitan ice cream set, dude.
Yeah, dude, it looks like the album cover.
Of the song?
Yeah,
Interesting.
the Snail's House, Pixel Galaxy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice hit there.
Okay. Nice.
I feel like it's in very in the same movement for a while. You know what I mean? There aren't a lot of pauses.
Interesting. I agree.
Interesting, bro. I don't know about that ending. I don't know about that
Was
ending.
that,
I don't know about
was
that
that a
ending.
reference? Was that a reference to like Kirby?
Is it?
No, right? No, it's
I don't
not.
watch Kirby. I only play Kirby.
No, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Because like the song is real like video gamey, and like the set feels kind of Kirby-y. He had
Yeah.
like that one move in the middle that felt like Kirby-y. But yeah, no, that ending was
Interesting ending.
felt wrong.
Different. Yeah. Let's move on over to Phantom. I thought usually Snap sticks to moves, but he was like in a full fluid motion that entire song. You know, so I felt like some of the beats weren't really captured because of that continuous movement. Anyway, let's move on over to Phantom.
Okay.
Phantom's from Hawaii, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't even know who he is.
Oh, he's a white glover?
Yeah.
Jordan, right?
Yeah, but he never usually comes out.
Well,
He's a
out,
phantom.
He's a Phantom.
Bro, you ain't wrong. No, he used to come out with Crimson, right? Like a couple years back.
I don't remember. Look at that form. That thread form. It's like really nice.
I'm surprised that this is Hypno certified. Low-key.
Really? What do you
Yeah.
mean?
This is a very lovable song.
It is a super glovable.
But for future bass.
I don't even know what Future Bass is.
Bro, it's the bass of the future.
There's a synth. It's something about like how like this. I don't fucking know. I don't want to fucking fuck it up. Ooh, the thumb grab with the pointer middle. That looks like something you do. See, wait.
That's fair.
Dude, this is pretty good. This is a pretty good show, bro.
There are some elements in here that are giving very Quasi vibes.
Yeah.
Quasi.
Crazy.
Quasi Wazy. Oh, that's an interesting form too. Some angles could be cleaning up. Not everything is purely horizontal or vertical. Lots of logic errors here and there as well. Pretty good though, pretty solid. I like what I see.
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how the hell is he eating all those chips with his mask on? That's not important. What is important are these batteries, and these gloves, and these accessories. And you can get them all 10% off if you use the code AlohaNation at glow-leds.com. I'm watching Fry.